In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Notion from opening automatically when your computer starts. This is a quick and simple change, but it can make your startup feel a lot cleaner and faster, especially if you prefer to open apps only when you actually need them. First, make sure you're on your Windows desktop, with your taskbar visible at the bottom of the screen. This is the bar where you can usually see icons like your browser, any open folders, and other apps. What you want to do is move your mouse down to that taskbar and right-click on an empty area. Don't click on an app icon itself, but on some blank space on the bar. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Task Manager and left-click on it. If you don't see many options in Task Manager, you might be in a simplified view. In that case, look for something like More Details near the bottom and click it to expand the full view. This will give you access to all the tabs you need. Once Task Manager is fully open, look along the top for the tab that says Startup or Startup Apps, and click on that. This section shows you a list of all the programs that are set to run automatically when your computer starts up. Now, in that list, scroll until you find Notion. The items are usually listed by name, and you should see Notion along with other apps. Click on Notion once to highlight it. You'll see its current status, such as Enabled, which means it is allowed to launch at startup. With Notion selected, right-click on it. A small menu will appear. From that menu, click on Disable. Once you do this, the status for Notion in the list should change to Disabled. That means Windows will no longer open Notion automatically the next time you start your computer. You don't need to restart right away for the change to be saved. Windows remembers this setting. However, the next time you shut down and turn your computer back on, Notion should stay closed until you choose to open it yourself. If you ever change your mind and want Notion to start automatically again, just repeat these steps. Go back to the same place in Task Manager, right-click Notion, and choose Enable. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully stopped Notion from opening automatically on startup.